Hello, in this video I'll show you how to change your Amazon Flex region. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly, open your Amazon Flex in your current region. Now, once you open the website of Amazon Flex, just scroll down till the very bottom. Now you can do the process in your application as well, but I'm going to show you in the browser. So the only option that you have is to contact the support team or email them, because only they will be able to change your region. So you should be able to see the support tab somewhere right over here, or you can also find the support tab in your application as well. So all you have to do is just simply click on the support panel, and then contact number and email address will be available in front of you. Now, in some case, if you're unable to see the support panel like this, what you have to do is simply search for Amazon Flex support, then open the second link right over here, contact Amazon Flex support. Now, over here, you should be able to see all the contact information regarding the support team for Amazon Flex. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the phone number, the email address, and the availability time as well. And you will also be able to see the support tab right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.